So I'm going to close out of Warren here, Warren Legal, and I'm going to open up Skyline. I'm going to enable the content, and we're going to be creating some reports using the report wizard. The wizard is very similar to what you saw with forms. It's a pretty powerful feature because you can pull in fields from multiple related tables. So we're going to go into Create, and you do not need to worry about selecting a table ahead of time. We'll just go into Create, and we're going to choose Report Wizard. And while we're in the very first wizard screen, we can pick whatever table or query we want to pull fields from. So we are going to start with the inventory table. And so you're going to select the table. And for this very first report, they want us to move all of the fields over. Okay, so we're going to click on the double arrows. That'll get them all over under selected fields. And we're going to click on Next. And they would like this grouped by supplier ID, which it guessed that we wanted things grouped that way, and it guessed correctly. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Next. And for the third screen, it wants to know if we want to sort the details. We're just going to go ahead and click on Next. This next one is asking how we want the report laid out. Because we do have a grouping level, this is stepped, which is how we have been viewing reports that have those grouping levels, but they would like us to pick blocked. Okay, so we are going to change this to block. And I do want you to take note that it is supposed to adjust the field width so all the fields fit on a page. This is turned on by default, and we do want to keep it on. So we're going to go ahead and click on Next. This is the one where we can indicate what title we want. The default is Inventory. We are just going to leave it on Inventory, and we're going to click on Finish. And it should display this in Print Preview, and you can see that it has grouped based on supplier. Within supplier, we have the item ID, item, and unit. So these numbers over on the left are suppliers, and then within each supplier we have all of our detail. So we're going to close out of Print Preview. And this brings us into Design View, a little different look than Layout View. And we aren't going to do anything else to this report, so we're just going to right-click and we're going to close it.